Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video we are going to be roasting some mackerel. Here we've got our mackerel. We start by gutting the mackerel. This is so we can remove the content of the stomach, as this can be bitter when left inside. After removing the content of the stomach, we go ahead and wash this mackerel. We wash it and clean it very well. Here on a dry surface, we make 2 to 3 cuts on the mackerel. Please like and share this video and subscribe. Here is our salt. We are going to be seasoning with just salt. It's such a simple recipe, but it's very healthy and very tasty. Very simple. Try to rub the salt into the cuts, and then we wrap it with a tin foil paper. After wrapping it, we place the mackerel in a preheated oven to roast for at least 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. Here our mackerel is ready. We just unwrap it and have our very own homemade roasted mackerel. Very easy. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like and share the video. Try this and let me know what you think, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.